Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back again to Madjid Fragrance channel for reviewing and describing fragrances. Today we're gonna do unboxing and the first impression about Nautica Voyage. This fragrance belongs to the line of aquatic woody fragrances for men, and it's belong to the country of United States of America. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe to get always our news. Stay tuned. Welcome back again. As you see with me here, Nautica Voyage that comes in 100 ml. Today I gonna do the unboxing and the first impression, and I will do two parts. Today is only for the unboxing and the first impression, and when I try it for week, I will try it in the day and in the night. In the period of 7 days. After that I will do another video. I will describing with you the scent and how I feel about it, and how it's graduated with me from the opening through the middle notes and the base note also. So for that, Nautica Voyage is an American house. Nautica is American house, and the fragrance called Nautica Voyage. This fragrance, as I said before, it belongs to the line of aquatic woody fragrances for men, and this fragrance was released in 2006. The nose behind this fragrance was Maurice Rossel, and the trend of this fragrance is from the day of producing it, and it's always up. This trend of this fragrance is never gonna down. It's always up. Why? Because this one is one of the best cheap fragrances in the market, that it's very versatile, it's easy to wear, and always people recommending to use this fragrance. I buy this fragrance with blend eye. I will do the unboxing and the first impression with me right now. As you see here, Nautica Voyage comes in 100 ml, 3.3 eau de toilette concentration. In the front side they write Nautica Voyage, and in the back side you see with me Nautica Voyage. Here there is some information regarding the ingredient and something like that. As you see with me here, they write made in Spain, fabriqué en Espagne, in French. Okay, in the right side there is a little bit or a little sticker here in yellow. In the other side there is nothing. As you see with me here, I just opened it in few moments ago. I was very excited about this fragrance. I can't wait for it. As you see with me in the bottom of the box, there is also another information, the barcode and something like that. You will see with me here the batch code 0059. You can check it in Check Fresh. This is the batch code of the fragrance. Okay, as you see with me, here is the box. I will open it with you. As you see here, it comes like that. I don't respect how is the packaging, because in this situation it's when it's the drop, it's can broken or something like that, because it's on glass. The packaging, it's not good. Okay, let's see with you the fragrance. See with me, I don't respect like this. When you see fragrances from Prada, something like that, they make a good packaging. Okay, the fragrance, as you see with me here, it comes in glass. The juice color is blue. In the front side they wrote Nautica Voyage. In the back side there is nothing. In the top of the cap they write Nautica, as you see with me. Nautica also here. The cap is loose. is not it's not good. As you see with me here, the cup is not good, it's not hold the bottle. The batch code, as you see with me, 0059, as you see here. Okay, this is the same batch code that we see on the box on the bottom side. I will spray with you and see how it spray. The sprayer is good. Wow, the opening is so beautiful. They said that the notes that we have here, there is green apple, there is also the lotus, flower of lotus, there is mimosa, green leaf, we have also white musk, sandalwoods, wakmos, and we have amber. In the opening I can smell the green apple. Well, it's very obvious. Green leaves, it's not so obvious. Anyway, it's a fresh scent, clean scent. When you spray it, you will say, wow, this fragrance is so clean, it's easy to wear. I think this fragrance, it must be owned for those people who work in closed spaces, like office or something like that, because from the first impression, this one, it's not gonna hurt anybody who work in front of you or around you. This smell in the first time, it's very beautiful, but today I will focus with you only on the unboxing and how it's came. Okay, and after 1 week I will do a full review. I will give you my experience regarding this fragrance from the opening till the dry down and how it's passed through the middle notes. And also I will give you the longevity, how much it stick with me in my skin and in the clothes. In this weather, it's very hot here, so for that I will do a good review of it. And also the Cioch, I will give you how much the Cioch. Okay, that's it for today. So thank you, my lovers, for watching this episode. Today we do the unboxing of Nautica Voyage, this brand from United States. Any people in the world recommend this fragrance to wear it. It's very easy to wear it, very versatile. In the next episode I will do a full review regarding the scent. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe to get always our news. And also, if you like this episode, give me a thumb like to let this video reach other people, to help them get the right and the best fragrance for them. See you in next video. Bye bye.